Screenshots work as a tangible reference for anything that's taking place on your computer screen. And if you want to know more about taking screenshots from your Windows 11 computer, here are some methods that you can try. Firstly, you can use the print screen key on your keyboard. Just press it while on the desired page. Then open an app like the Microsoft Paint, right-click on a blank page, then select Paste to view the screenshot. Next, utilize the snipping tool. You can just search for the snipping tool, click on New, and then take a new screenshot of your desktop. You can also choose from the various options provided. Now for the third option, access the Xbox game bar by pressing the Windows key and the letter G together. Then click on Capture or Camera icon to take a screenshot. Additionally, you can also use other keyboard shortcuts like pressing Alt and the Print key together to capture the active window while hiding the Windows taskbar. Another option is by pressing the Windows key and the Print key together, which briefly dims the screen to capture the screenshot. Now those are the different methods of taking screenshots of your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.